Welcome to Inspire for high school science teachers. This short tutorial will highlight the databases within Inspire that high school science teachers may find the most useful. This is the Inspire website. Inspire is a service of the Indiana State Library, and the web address is www.inspire.in.gov. For this tutorial, we will highlight the databases Explora for High School, Science in Context, and Science Reference Center. To access the databases we'll discuss, go to Databases by Subject on the Inspire homepage. Here it is a little closer. Just click on that. First, let's look at Explora for high schoolers. Explora is a great resource for any research paper. It contains articles from encyclopedias, newspapers, journals, and other print and electronic resources. These articles are vetted, reliable sources and are recommended for research projects over using Google or Wikipedia. To get there, scroll down to Student Search 6 through 12. From there, select Explora for high schoolers. This is the home page. At the bottom of the page are suggested topics for any students who may be struggling to find a topic to research. You can also search at the top page for any topic. Here is a sample search for circulatory system. You can see it suggests common searches on that topic, such as circulatory system and diseases. Or you can ignore those suggestions and just hit Enter for a general search of your topic. Here is the results page. At the top is a topic overview. In this case, it's from an article from an encyclopedia of science. On the left is the area where you can refine your results. The search results tell you at a glance what type of resource an article is. In this case, it says reference because it's an encyclopedia article. And results should be available in full text as long as you have the full text box checked on the left side of the screen. For more information on searching Inspire databases, including more information on refining results and navigating the full text articles, see the research tutorial in this series. Next, let's look at Science in Context. To get there, go back to the Databases by Subject page and go to the STEAM subject box, which includes a number of useful databases related to science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. Science in Context features authoritative information for assignments and projects and provides detailed coverage of popular subjects. This is the home page. At the bottom of the home page, you will find research starters as with Explora. These are great for students who need help selecting a topic. You can also search in the box at the top of the page. Here, I have searched for solar eclipses. You can see that suggested topics come up related to that search term that could help me narrow my search. Select one or simply hit Enter to search your general topic. This is the search results page. To the right, you can see there are several types of results here, from reference resources like encyclopedias, to academic journal articles, and even some science experiments. Each entry notes its difficulty level. These red triangles indicate when articles are on an advanced level. The green circles denote articles on a more basic level, and yellow squares not pictured here mark intermediate level articles. One other note about Science in Context, near the top of the home page you will find a link to curriculum standards. From there you can select Indiana Standards and pick from Math or Science and Computer Standards for high school or middle school. You can then go into each standard. You can see the biology standards for grades 9 through 12 here. They also provide you with subject terms related to the standards, which lead to relevant articles. If we click on Molecular Structure, It opens a full page of articles on that topic, including a research starter at the top. Now let's look at Science Reference Center. If you don't find what you're looking for in Science in Context, but would like a more science-focused search than Explora, try Science Reference Center. It is a research database providing easy access to a wealth of full-text, science-oriented content. Designed to meet student researchers' needs, Science Reference Center contains full text for hundreds of science encyclopedias, reference books, periodicals, and other reliable sources. In addition, the database includes a vast collection of images. Here is the home page. You can search in the primary search box in the middle of the screen, and you can scroll down to limit your search in a number of ways. You can select age level, specific scientific area, and publication type. Make sure you have full text selected to get articles in their entirety. While we will not cover them in this tutorial, please note that there are also databases specific to health and medicine research available on Inspire. You'll find those back on the Databases by Subject page under Health and Medicine. This concludes the Inspire for High School Science Teachers tutorial. We hope you found it useful and encourage you to explore these databases more on your own. If you have further questions about Inspire, don't hesitate to contact the Indiana State Library's Professional Development Office.